What's up, you guys? Today's video is going to be a braid out, so we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. So I parted my hair down the middle and then I made sections so that way it could be easier to do my braids. So here you just see me parting my hair and getting my sections ready. So these are the stylers that I used and they worked really well together. So I used the curling cream from African Pride and the Curl and Wave Eco Styler Gel, the pink one. So that is what I applied to my hair before the braids. And as you can see here, I'm just distributing the cream, and then on top of that, I go in with the gel, and then you want to start braiding. So you want to make sure to detangle each section, and you also want to try to braid your braids as neatly and as tightly as you can to ensure you get the best definition. So now I'm on the last section, and you can see I chose to go with more medium-sized braids. So there was about 15 to 20 braids in total. And at this point, we're just going to go ahead and do the takedown. So I did let these braids dry for a full day, so 24 hours, which is also key. You want to make sure your braids are 100% dry, because if not, it's just going to be a frizzy mess. So make sure your braids are all the way dry. So before you go in and take your braids down, you want to put some type of oil on your hands to prevent frizz. So I use an oil in spray form. It's a very lightweight oil from OGX Beauty. So that is the oil that I use, and I just rub that through my hands, and that is going to help prevent frizz while I'm taking down the braids. And as you can see, especially in these little sections here, the definition was on point. So the smaller and the tighter the braid, the more definition you get.
like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start. For us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Oh, we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage.
We are finally on the last braid. This is something you want to take your time with because you don't want it to be super frizzy. So this is the definition that I'm working with. I think it looks pretty good. I'm just going to go back in with the oil that I used, and at this point you just want to fluff, separate, and pick. I really didn't do much separating, but I did pick my hair a little bit just to get the shape going. So that's what you see me doing here, and that is basically the last step. So I hope you guys enjoyed this braid out. I know I did. I really enjoyed the definition, so I'm going to be doing more braid outs in the future, maybe even some twist outs, because I just really liked how this turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a new video coming every Wednesday and Sunday, so subscribe, turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.